Hi Bombshell! I'm out for a run this morning and thought, why not do my blog post while I'm outside? And it's so sunny and beautiful, and I can kind of feel you're enjoying this with me. So I'm a bit sweaty, but it's been warm here in California, so, well, I guess kind of chilly this morning, but it warms up throughout the day. But this week we're going to be talking all about our luteal phase, and I woke up this morning like feeling a little bit drained because our dog has been getting us up at like 4 a.m. to go to the bathroom. And you can, hold on, see all the beautiful fountain that we get to walk by together. So I was feeling a bit kind of tired this morning, and I was like, all right, well, before I go for a run, I'm going to have a light breakfast. I have a little fruit with some flaxseed on there, which kind of just really helps. Sometimes I like light breakfasts at certain parts of the month. So just a little fruit this morning felt really good. And then I took my dog on a walk. So I was like, I think I just need to get outside and get the vitamin D and not just like start into a hard-hitting workout with my body. And then when I got back, I was like, you know what? I now feel like going for my run. So I originally wanted like 45 minutes, and I was like, you know what? You can do a faster tempo 30-minute run and you save like 15 minutes because you also went for a really long walk this morning, and it could just kind of get in, get out, and like be done with your workout instead of feeling like I have to do like such a long one when my body just doesn't feel like it today. So that feels really good. And this weekend I did a lot of meal prep, so it's more of a busy week because we have quite a few things planned after the work days this week. I'm helping my boyfriend go to like this networking event at his old university. He went to grad school down here in San Diego, so we're gonna go help out some students and do like this. It's kind of like speed dating, but for like job interviews. So we have to like sit there and just ask some questions. I mean, I don't know, we'll see how that goes. I'm just kind of going along for the ride. So I did a lot of meal prep this weekend to just be able to make dinner easier, so we're not kind of like rushing around and we still get the food that we want. And I just keeping meals on hand I think is really helpful. So if you don't meal prep, highly recommend it. So yeah, that's my day so far. And this weekend we went to Wanderlust. If you saw some of my pictures on Instagram, it was like a triathlon, and I put triathlon in quotes because it's like a 5K run, and then you do yoga for like an hour, and then you meditate. So we did that on Saturday, and it was just nice to share that with my boyfriend because he doesn't ever do that kind of stuff. It's more of like my thing. He'll play soccer, but that's about it. So it was nice to kind of do during my ovulation phase of just getting out and trying something new and just being around like people and kind of soaking that up. So luteal now, like I totally felt my body shift into it where I was like, oh, I just need to hunker down. Sat at a computer for a lot yesterday of just kind of catching up on some things, and your brain just gets like really focused on tasks, which is great. So sometimes when you have so much energy during your ovulation phase, and then you don't like necessarily sit and get work done, you're more like socializing, which is great on building those connections that you need for life or work. But your luteal phase is kind of like putting everything more into like actually getting the work done. So I feel pretty proud of myself that I was able to do that. So that's just kind of what's going on with me, and I will talk to you soon, and I hope you have a good day. Bye, lady.